Okay. Hi mga mimas, mga bakla. Kasi may mga nagtatanong sa akin, 'di ba? About ang hirap daw mag-apply ng trabaho, lalo na online. So, I know na for many of you, the job search can feel like an endless cycle. You apply and you apply, but nothing seems to change. So it's frustrating, draining, and overwhelming. I've been hearing a lot of stories like this, and I want to talk to you today about how to break free from that cycle and focus on what you can control while you're searching for that next opportunity. So, first off, I want to thank you all for joining me today. This has been my you know program. This is my third day to post something like this, so stay tuned. Okay, so ano nga ba yung mga struggle ng paghahanap ng trabaho? So, kapag stuck ka kasi sa cycle ng job hunting, it feels like you're doing everything right. Tama? Pero, kasi you're submitting countless applications, tweeting your resumes, sending cover letters, pero, yun nga, naghihintay ka pa din. It's easy to get lost in this kind of cycle and feel like you're not making any progress. So, what can you do para mag-improve ka? Ano yung kaya mong gawin while you continue your search for a job? What should you focus on to make sure you're improving yourself, even when it feels like you're stuck? 'Di ba? Yun yung mga question. So, focusing on improvement during job interview is something that's important. So, instead of only focusing on applying and hoping for a response, it is more important to focus on improvement. Lalong-lalo na yung self-improvement. This will not only make you more competitive when the right job opportunity comes, but also help you feel more confident and capable while you're in waiting period. So I have here things that you can improve while searching for a job. Okay? Kasi ito yung mga areas na kailangan mong i-focus para magkaroon ka ng confidence sa sarili mo. So number one is skills development. Learning new skills, hone that skills na in demand ngayon, na alam mo na mag-stand out ka from the other applicant. This will also help you feel more prepared and confident. Number three, number two, sorry, is networking. Networking means building connections. Mapa-online man yan, mapa-social media man yan, or pwede namang Upwork yan, 'di ba? Those are the things that can open doors for you. Number three, mindset. Mindset shift is more likely essential. Okay? Ano nga ba yung mindset shift? Kasi job hunting can be tough, but maintaining a positive and growth-oriented mindset is essential too. Kasi ito yung time na dapat nag-i-evolve ka. Don't just stick to whatever you learned in school kasi ay nako dahil sinasabi ko sa iyo, our educational system is breaking. So, yeah, not everything that you learn in school will be applicable in the outside world. Okay? And then the next will be portfolio building. Ito yung lang naman ay kung applicable. Okay? Kung may may trabaho ka, pwede kang gumawa ng portfolio mo. Pero kapag wala ka pa namang trabaho and you're starting up, you have to, to work on that. Kasi kahit napakasimple lang yan, pwede mong maging portfolio yan. Okay? Pwede yan yung personal projects mo, pwede yan yung mga freelance work mo, pwede yan yung mga ginawa mo ng show ng skills mo. Okay? And number four man na ba tayo? Number five, that's self-care. It's important to stay healthy and balance, okay? Kasi nakaka-exhaust din naman ang paghahanap ng trabaho. Pero wag kang magmamadali. Don't rush things. Kasi the right one will come to you. Okay, so there are five skill sets to focus on during job search. Kasi ito yung mga ginawa ko nung nagsisimula pa lang ako. Number one is communication skills. Magaling ka ba magsulat? Magaling ka ba sa pag pag kakumausap ng tao? That is communication skills. Okay, you might not realize that, but you have that skill. Digital literacy. Gaano ka kagaling sa Microsoft Office? Gaano ka kagaling sa Google Suite? Gaano ka kagaling gumamit ng project management tools like Trello or Money.com? Okay, kasi napaka-essential niyan sa market. Number three is social media management. So, companies are always looking for people who can help them grow online. So, if there's someone who's given you the opportunity na tulungan sila online, lalo na yung mga online sellers or whatsoever, you grab that opportunity. Kasi marami kang matututunan doon. I swear. Diyan babagsak yung strategic planning mo, paano mo mapapalago the YouTube subscriber ni ate girl, or paano mo mapapadami yung kanyang views, paano mo share sa social media yung mga content niya. 'Di ba? Magtatag ka, magme-mention ka. Those are the things that you can do in the social media. Okay. So problem solving and ano pa ba? Problem solving and critical thinking. Sorry. Hindi ko na siya na employers want employees who can think critically and solve problems creatively. So if you will be joining my workshop, I'm planning to have my workshop on February. That will be a subscription workshop. So monthly magkakaroon tayo ng iba't ibang topic for 12 months. So per month that will cost 1,500. For early birds that will cost 1,000 for limited time only until February 1st. And then, if you bring a friend, you will be getting 20% off. Okay? Okay. So, lahat yan, pag-usapan natin about critical thinking, how to solve problem creatively, how to how to, you know, to adjust your thinking, yung mga ganon. Pag-uusapan natin yan. That includes as well time management. So, ano bang time management? Yung pagmamanage mo ng time effectively. Yun yun. So, ano nga ba ang importance of learning and growth? So, during this time of waiting and applying, remember that it's not just about waiting for opportunities to fall in your lap. It's about preparing yourself for when they do. By building up these skills, you're not only improving your chances of landing a job, but you're also gaining the confidence to succeed once you do. So, keep learning, mag-attend ka ng mga workshop, mag-attend ka ng mga kung ano-anong motivational speeches dan, magbasa ka. So, every day you spent learning something new brings you closer to your goal. Okay, so how our workshops can help you. If you're feeling stuck and overwhelmed, I encourage you to attend our upcoming workshops again. It will start on February and it will be ending on January. That will be 12 months of workshopping. So each month we will be covering a kick-off call, a um, group coaching, mindset call, and another group coaching. So yon. And then yun nga I also told you that um ang basic registration fee will be 1,500 each month. Pero kapag early bird ka na nag-attend sa amin, um, on our starting month will be 1,000 pesos each month. So that's the early bird price point. And then, if you bring a friend, you will be getting 20% off. So, kunin mo na yung friend mo and we'll discuss that. I-share mo tong video na to sa mga friends mo na nangangailangan ng help online para matulungan ka din namin at sila. Okay? Okay. So, ano nga ba yung mga ito? So, the workshop was designed or is designed to help you gain the skills you need, shift your mindset, and start building confidence that you need to land your next job. So, at the workshop, we'll dive deeper into skill development, personal growth, and how to stand out from the crowd. We'll also have experts, okay? Mag-i-invite ako ng expert to share their strategies para sa job searching and career growth. Kasi this isn't just a job. This isn't just about job hunting. Okay, it's about finding your purpose. So kailangan kong i-tweak 'yon. Kasi yung iba, kailangan kong mag ano ng job, kailangan kong mang job. Pero what's your purpose? Of course, ang purpose mo will be to help your family, but what is that in your inner self purpose on why you're doing this? Right? Yun kasi. So you should have that purpose and setting yourself up for long-term progress and success too. Okay? Kasi ang knowledge is the key to success, guys. Remember, Remember, job hunting is a journey, not a race. Hindi to minamadali. Focus on improving yourself while you search, and soon enough, you'll only find the right opportunity, but you'll also be ready to seize it. Take it one step at a time, keep learning, and never stop believing in your potential. So, thank you guys for staying with me again. And I'll see you at our workshop. Bye.